with another video for today, and this one is going to be a lot different than what I'm used to. I am nervous, but guess what I did? I may or may not have had a couple of shots of Henny, but we are going to see what this takes us, you know? So I just wanted to recap my week of Carnival. I decided to vlog because I just felt like I kept the other videos I've had. I'm just like kind of shutting up and doing makeup, and I'm just like, Kathy, you came on YouTube and not speak to people, you know? So I was like, okay, take this camera around town. I'm lying. I did not take my camera around town because it's too big and it's to a party. I'm not one of those girls who record. I can record themselves having a good time. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my God, hey, this is me on Snapchat. And then I get back and then put the phone down and not do anything. I actually like to have a good time versus showing people I'm having a good time. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, that's a Henny. Excuse me. So this Memorial week that just passed, I recorded my little crew, which is myself, my twin sister, and my boyfriend, and my close friend Shanice. We all get together every year, we party. So many things going on that week. So we just pick a few things that we're gonna do and we stick to it and go. On Wednesday of that week, we decided to go to Army Fete. Now, Army Fete is something we usually do all the time. And Shanice just found a picture. I forgot about the picture, honestly. She found a picture from a prior year. And just to show like the glow up, I thought it was so cute. So I'm gonna insert that now.
That's so that disrespectful. Somebody say, "Go in your big face."
Jamaicans really know how to put people all together. They know how to insult you. They'll make you feel bad. Yeah, for real, man. They make you feel like when I was in school and I didn't tell my mom. What's going on, girl? Big like a cow.
So Carnival time is here again.
I was girl.
Catherine.
Straight because I'm scared about when I'm going to see me. Like it was that bad.
Carnival time. Shanice. With your big face. With your big face.
It's vlogging, girl.
What you mean?
Me too. I think when I hear that part, I think about Naeem done it. Huh? What's on it? I'm done. I got feeling nice. I'm feeling nice.
I want to drink some more.
Hey, water. No, for real, we have to eat something after this because you can't, especially Catherine. Catherine mixed dark and light.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, she gotta eat something.
I eat some noodles. I never eat noodles. That's why
So Thursday we decided to go to Bliss Lounge to see Patrice Roberts. Shoot it! Beat! Come on! Beat! Yes! Yes! Yes, girl! Friday, like a bunch of idiots, we did not do anything. It didn't register to us. I just feel like the week was so hectic, so we didn't really think about Friday and how we didn't have anything planned for that day. So by the time we actually realized it, we tried to look for some tickets to go somewhere. Everything was sold out. Everything. So I was just like, you know, but we're just gonna have to skip into Saturday. I was upset because I did not capture the footage of me doing this makeup. And when I tell you this makeup did not move, I sweat because I don't think they make sweat-proof makeup. I think that's actually unhealthy. My makeup did not separate. And I was like, you did good, girl.
I'm not terrible, you know.
Hey, 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 yeah. Party mash up again. Hey, hey, girl them bubbling. Hey, hey, bring all your friend them.
Stop, wait. Lupe. Ladies, when you're running and leave the truck, when you get too excited, come back to the back, come back to the back, come back to the back, come back to the back of the truck, come back to the back of the truck, come back to the back of the truck. Somebody deep for one, somebody deep for one, somebody deep for one. Come on, girl, just deep for one, somebody deep for one.
But now, fast forward to Saturday night, we went to the Cooler Fete at Caribbean Connection. We did not catch any footage. Like the dodo birds that we are, we did not catch any footage. Only because, just like I said, I'm not the girl who like just pulls out their phone. So it didn't register to me like, oh my god, I'm still recording the week, record this part. So I was just like, I suck at this vlog thing. So we're gonna skip into the last day, which is Sunday, and the last party that we went to, which was the annual Whale White. This year they had Lyrical, Mr. Killer, and somebody else. I cannot remember his name. I'm so sorry.
That's not your face. I'm gonna stop this to a side part. You look so pretty though. This video? No, for you.
Hot ass.
What? How what?
Hot ass.
I mean, it's cute inside. It's happening.
Hey, Nerm. Are you okay? That's a carnival injury. Oh, okay. Oh, what? Why'd you stop?
It's not that you see what happened with the personality? You just loving yourself now.
Naeem has on
Wear white.
a gray shirt. That's a pizza stain right there. Hold on. Right there.
I don't have much time, so I want to give all the trouble one time. They say party done soon. Listen to me. You ready to go? Are you tired? Are you sleepy? If you still have energy and you still have money in your pocket, make some noise.
My vlog recap. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. We had such a great time. I don't know, it's always like good vibes and good energy. We always line and we always having a good time. I am going going to do more vlogs because as uncomfortable as it was to have this camera around town, well, not this camera, but babe. As uncomfortable as it was to record myself in public and stuff like that, I would do it again. It was weird, but it was a good weird. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys give me a thumbs up. Whatever. What am I supposed to say after that? I don't know. Just, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.